We are very proud of this budget, but we are even more proud of our ability as a government to address the needs of our society across the board. We are proud that we can guarantee opportunity and improve living standards, show compassion, Madam Speaker, ensure fairness and justice, keep order and help people lead rewarding and productive lives. This is what courageous leadership and sound economic management can do, Madam Speaker. That is why we are in government, Madam Speaker. A budget is never just about dollars in and dollars out. It is also not just about living for the moment. Neither is it about trying to win votes. It is one in a series of interrelated blueprints for realizing our ambitions for today and giving our children optimism for the future. It is a job that is never complete, but each year, Madam Speaker, brings us the joy of knowing that we have done better than the previous year. We have remained true to our convictions, Madam Speaker, and kept our promises, even when it was difficult. True leadership, Madam Speaker, is inspiring an entire nation. Because our leader kept the nation's eye fixed on the rewards that came when a government patiently and firmly carries out a well-conceived plan of action, Madam Speaker. We know we have the vision, the means and the leadership to unlock our economic potential for good, Madam Speaker. And that is why, Madam Speaker, we came to government, and that is why, Madam Speaker, we are here presenting this budget. And with those few words, Madam Speaker, I recommend this budget to this Parliament. Thank you, Madam Speaker.